Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add banner to YouTube channel. So from here you will just open the YouTube app on this Android device. Now what to do, you will have to move in the profile icon is the right below. You will have to move in the white profile icon below. You will see, now just tap to the channel. So from here, how to add banner, you will just tap to this pin icon. So from here you will see the background. You will see this, just choose the photo from here. I will just choose the photo and adjust it with this angle. You will see the banner angle. The photo you will have to adjust by your fingertips, and just when you adjust it, just tap to this the top right corner of save button, and it will be uploading a banner for your YouTube channel. You will see I will already upload it. So this is how to add banner on YouTube. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.